so I haven't done this one in a while. But how hot is Yamamoto's blade? We do know that Yamamoto's Bankai has the temperature of. What about his blade? We do know that his blade can completely vaporize a soul and a body. Now, to vaporize a normal human body, we'll need around 3 gigajoules of energy. We convert that to temperature, it would mean 1,579,695.2005 degrees Celsius. And for the Americans, it is 2843483.36 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick announcement, the rate of videos would be slower till February of 2023. After that, videos will be there in rapid pace.